about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie with All Things Travel by Julie. Today I'm going to be doing another luggage review. If you saw my last video, you know I did a review on the Away luggage. If you didn't see the video, please be sure to check it out. The link is right up here. So go ahead and check that one out. And today, like I said, I'll be doing a review on the Rimowa luggage. My amazing fiance was so kind to purchase me a carry-on luggage because the current ones that I have are falling apart and we are going on a few trips in the next couple of weeks. So I definitely needed a new carry-on luggage. So I'm really excited to unpack this and give you my honest review about this luggage. So let's go ahead and get it opened. So you guys can see that the Rimowa luggage comes in a dust bag, which I absolutely love because when you're not traveling, you can go ahead and store your luggage inside the dust bag, put it in your closet and just be done with it. I do like how it says Rimowa on the front. And I did notice that on the back, it actually has the Rimowa logo on it as well. So that's quite neat. But now let's go ahead and get that luggage out of the dust bag because I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Wow. Ha! This is cute. You guys know what this is, right? This is just your luggage tag, so they included one. I think that's a cute little feature that I did there. Let me put this on the side. So let's check out this beauty in a little bit more detail. As you can see, this is the aluminum edition. They do have different material luggage that they make, which one of them is the polycarbonate luggage, but I really like the aluminum edition because I feel like it's a little bit more sturdy and going to last me a little bit longer. Also, it does come with a 5-year warranty, but be sure to go online and register your luggage once you receive it. Otherwise, you're only getting a 2-year warranty on the luggage. So be sure to go ahead and register after you get your luggage. This is the cabin size. So it's about, I don't know the exact dimensions. I'll put them right there so you can read for yourself what the dimensions are, but it weighs about 9.2 pounds. And the volume is about 8.7 liters that you can fit. So if you're going on a short trip, on a weekend trip, then I think this is plenty of luggage for you. So it does come in 2 different colors. As you can see, I have the silver here, which is my personal favorite. I feel like it's a little bit more classic and timeless, but it also comes in black. So it's really your choice what color you prefer. Now you have 2 handles, one on top, and then the other one is right on the side, which these are... They snap really fast, so once you let go, you don't have to worry about it being in the way, because I really hate that. So they're quick release handles. Another cool feature that I really like is the pull out. Usually you get 2 or 3 different stops, but this particular one, you can actually stop it anywhere you like. You just let go and you see it's tight. So you can stop it anywhere. So that's perfect because we're not all the same height and we all need different handle sizes. So I love that. I guess that's the German engineering. So let's take a closer look here. I love the different colors in the silver. That gives a little bit of a contrast. So it's not just all one color. Let's take a little closer look at the latches right here. And as you can see, they have the Rimowa logo engraved. So everything with this is high-end. It's just amazing. I also like that the luggage comes with stoppers. So you have them offset, one here, one there, and of course 2 more on the bottom. So when you sit your luggage on the floor, it's not sitting directly on the floor. And then for the corners, I added additional protection, which I really like. Not sure if you guys knew, but Rimowa is actually a German company. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And this is what gives Rimowa away, these distinctive grooves. I challenge you guys to pay attention the next time you're at the airport and see if you can detect a Rimowa luggage. And if you do, let me know in the comments below. Now these wheels are actually made out of polycarbonate. The wheels were pioneered by Rimowa themselves, and the high-end system guarantees a stable and effortless steering. And that's all thanks to the ball bearing mounted wheels and their cushioned axles, and we are going to try it out a little bit later. So next I want to take a look at the locks, but before I do that, I wanted to show you that it has Rimowa engraved right here. Not sure if you can see that. And also it has a stopper, which I like. This way you don't scratch up your luggage. So these locks are actually TSA approved, which means they can open it at any time without damaging your luggage. So inside here, we have dividers, and as you can see, there's a zipper right here. And actually, let me just go ahead and get out this brochure. And so we have the Rimowa logo on it again. And let's check this out. Even the brochure has the gross on it. That's awesome. So inside we have the accessory kit and then the owner's manual. So let me go ahead and get the accessories out and let's see what's inside. And this also has a gross on it. This is our luggage tag. Yes, I remember that said there was a complimentary leather luggage tag included with the suitcase. So here we are. We have Rimowa engraved and the logo on the back. And here is a fun sticker. Some people like to put them on their luggage. And then the owner's manual, if you so like, go ahead and read through it. It does come in several different languages, as you can see. So you should be able to find your language in there, I hope. And then the warranty booklet. Remember, again, I told you earlier, be sure to register your Rimowa luggage so you get the 5-year warranty on it. So this is one of the dividers, which as you can see has a zipper, so you can also place items in there. And then you just pull the latches and tighten all your belongings inside. Rimowa, now this was made in Canada. And the other half is just identical. So we have another divider with a zipper and also your latches. So once you place all your clothing, and I wanted to show you up close, you have the Rimowa logo everywhere. And this is the back of the divider. But once you place all your clothing, you just close this, put the latch on and tighten it, and everything should stay in place. The last thing we need to do is take this beauty on a spin and see how well the wheels work. So let's go ahead and do that. You see this moves so easily. Oh my God, I'm not even touching it and it's rolling away. So this is going to be absolutely perfect for a carry-on luggage. So overall, I think this is an amazing luggage. It is quite of an investment, but it's definitely something that I'm going to be keeping for quite some time. So, I mean, if you have purchased a luggage before, you know that typically they last only for so many years and then you spend all this money buying new luggage. So this should hopefully avoid that problem for me to having to buy new luggage all the time. So it's definitely a great investment and I can't wait to take it on my next travel. If you guys got anything out of this video, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.